package over there. Very nice and secure. We use our Molly system.
It's our Starlink.
Yeah, it's our Starlink. So we're heading to a park to show how it unbox and install and how we use it.
And then we're gonna go to a place with very bad signal.
Yeah. So yeah, let's go.
Oh wow, it did great. And right now we're just parked here to get some lunch. So we just arrived here in the park. Our Velcro placement did great.
Yeah.
Here is our Starlink, and we're finally going to unbox this. All right, so here is the unboxing of our Starlink. Oh, this is nice. So this is what it comes with. And here is the instructions right here. This is what it comes with. Here is the satellite, and here's the wiring, the cord. What's this?
This is for when you plug it in the wall mount.
Okay, wall mount plug and
then,
the bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, and here's more of the instructions. So this is our own personal cord. We got this from Amazon. We are going to use this to plug it there. We are plugging in our cord and it goes underneath there. So we are using our AsperX and it is powering up our Starlink. The next thing we're going to do now is downloading the app from the QR code in our box. There's the Starlink app right there. Finished downloading the app and we are now going to start setting up. After downloading the app, we went to our Wi-Fi and there is our Starlink right there. So after connecting it to our Wi-Fi, it is now paired successfully. It is doing a software update. If you want to make your Starlink private and put a name, you could just go to configure Wi-Fi.
Now we are just going to tilt the Starlink to the correct orientation because it says that we are incorrect. It's facing the wrong way. I guess the satellite is in the wrong way, so we'll just gonna tilt it and then see how that works. Now it looks like we are in the correct orientation, so it wants to face that way. It looks like we are now online. So let's try to see the speed test for this Starlink. So it looks like it's going up, so I think it's really fast. So I'll check back once this is done. It ran a speed test and it got 97 bits per minute, I believe, and that is when you're downloading, and then uploading is 26 and then 17. I don't know how that you calculate all of that, but that's what it is.
We removed our Wi-Fi and we have nothing.
Yeah.
And we're gonna double check. So there is our Instagram right there. We got nothing. As if it's not working.
Yeah.
All right, so now let's turn on the Starlink.
So I'm gonna open that.
All right. The Wi-Fi is on.
We're connected.
We're connected to our Starlink.
And then now I'm gonna go back here. And
oh,
there you go. It's
oh shoot!
now.
We got full bar too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Now, how fast is it?
Here.
Oh wow! Oh damn!
So it's playing.
No lag.
No lag.
Oh, that's so cool. Wow, it works. It works. Everything is all good. Now, where are we going to install it in the Bronco? We got this from Amazon. The funny part is this actually arrived first before the Starlink did. We were going to use this in King of the Hammers, but it arrived too late. So here is our brackets from Amazon. This is how our setup is right now. At first we had it in the middle, but then we realized, oh, what happens if we have to turn our satellite around? So we made it closer to the passenger side, so it's easier for us to remove the bracket and turn the satellite around. And we already have the satellite plugged in, and here is the wiring. And the good thing with this is we could actually plug it there to our Bronco but you're gonna waste your car battery. But if you don't want to waste your car battery, we have our Asperex here, and then we'll just find a way to mount it or put it somewhere here. We are now done setting up and installing our all-new Starlink inside our Bronco. So the wires are all connected, and it is connected to our Asperex. And look at that, this is how we did it. That is so cool. And we're double checking to see if we still have Wi-Fi.
Yeah,
and it works. Oh wow, look at that. Everything is all good. That is so cool. So we're checking our or her, what's this, TikTok, Instagram?
It's fast.
Wow, it is fast. That is so cool. Damn. All right, cool. We're doing a Google test.
Yeah, so I'm gonna
check the weather. Damn.
It's fast.
It is fast.
It's really fast.
Oh wow, no lag. Oh
No.
damn. That is so cool. All right, it works.
There you go, it works. So we are starting to drive around just to see how it works. So it looks like we lost connection. So let's see if I can just reconnect again. So yeah, it looks like there's some error connection right now. What I did, I went back to the Wi-Fi settings and reconnected to the Starlink. So now it looks like it's connected again. There's no obstruction, so we'll see how the speed test on this one. So it looks like it keeps on kicking us out every time we're moving. So I remove it from the CarPlay, but we're still trying to test it out. As of right now, it says we're online because we stopped, and then we'll see how it goes when we're moving again. We are moving, and I'm doing a speed test and see if it will lose connection. So far it's been like 20 or 30 seconds, and it looks like it's still connecting or connected. So we've been driving for about
10 minutes.
About 10 minutes. So it looks like we're still connected. So I'm just gonna go to Google again and then try to search for weather or something. Okay, it looks like it's good. It looks like it's going to where we want it. So all right, looks like so good. So we've been driving for about 15 minutes now, and it looks like our connection is still online. We haven't lost any connection since the last time it got offline. So looks like we are good for now. We're going to stop somewhere and see how the connection there.
Here in Crystal Cove. And why did we go here? Well, one, it's next to the ocean. Ocean's just right there. And number two, this place we have no signal at all. Or if we do, it's just like barely one signal.
Yeah.
So just to show it to you guys, right there, barely, was that one or two?
Two.
Barely two. So our signal here sucks. So I'm here on my phone, and even though I have, oh, now I have one signal, but look, I got a full bar from our Starlink Wi-Fi, so that's cool.
And now it's showing here that we have two devices that are connected right here.
Nice. I'm in my Instagram, and there, look how fast this is. That is so cool. And then we're gonna go to hers.
Google.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna go to, let's go back again, and then let's look for weather. Yep.
Oh wow, it's fast. Here at a place where our signal is horrible. We wanted to test this out in King of the Hammers, but it didn't arrive on time.
So it's all going fast now.
Nice. Oh wow, that's cool. In a place where there's only one signal.
Yeah. That was it. It's good so far. We wish we had this when we were at the King of the Hammers.
I know.
Yeah, so we could probably went live.
Yeah, I know, right?
On the spot.
Yeah, and anywhere on the trails too, anywhere.
Yeah. But now that we have it, then at least we can use it now. And then also we'll put our referral link in the description box, so you can also save a month of subscription.
Yeah, all right. So we're here at Benny and Mary's, and wow, look how lovely this restaurant is here. We got their Mexican coffee, or abuelita's coffee right there. Wow, that is so good. And then she got the orange juice. Mary's French toast. Oh my gosh. We got their garlic shrimp. Here is our short rib chilaquiles. Wow, that looks so good. And here is our dessert.
So we turned off our Starlink. Now we don't have any signal.